Howdy, my name is Daniel Michaels and I work for eSale at Texas A&M University. Today we're going to be going over a feature that is known as polling that you can use to ask students questions and interact just like they would with clickers, but we're going to do it within Zoom. So what we're going to need to do is open a web browser of your choosing, type in the URL tamu.zoom.us. Whenever you land on the screen, you should see a sign-in box. Once you click sign in, if you haven't signed in a while, it'll ask you for your net ID and password. Once you are into your account, you will see a number of different options. On the left-hand side, we are going to click meetings. From the meetings, we're going to choose the personal meeting room, which is in the middle of your screen. And from there, we're going to scroll down. At the very bottom, you'll see the option to poll. This is where you can ask questions. You can set up entire quizzes or individual questions. So let's walk through what that looks like. We're going to find the add button, which is going to be on the right side of your screen. And then we can name the poll. We'll call this one test. You have the option to anonymize it, and you can either select this or leave it deselected. When it's anonymous, you won't be able to see which students answered what. You will just be able to see percentages. So let's go into this. We will build first question, and we can just say something like, what does TAMU stand for? And you can have the option for multiple choice or single choice. We're just going to choose single choice, and then these are the options they can choose from. First one would be Texas. Let's put the next one as A&M University. And then let's have the one right above it be Texas A&M University. Now we can add another question if we like. So a poll is in fact a series of questions. We'll just make this one a test, just so we can show, and then we'll have answer 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, now we can hit save. And now you'll see the option pops up right here as test. So then now that we have this set, we can go into our Zoom. And if you're in a meeting, you can have this dashboard. So the instructor dashboard or host dashboard will be displayed on the bottom, and you'll see an option that says polls. You can select polls, and then you can choose which poll you would like to administer. So we just made the one that's test in all caps. We will select that, and we could say launch polling. Upon launching polling, all the participants in the room will answer, and you'll be able to see a percentage go up based on who's selecting what. You can then end the poll, and it'll show you total results. You can relaunch it, or you can share it with the class if you'd like. I hope you found this video informative, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.